Congress leader Sonia Gandhi has defended former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, calling him one of India's most consequential leaders and contrasting his record with that of the Modi government. In an article published in the Indian Express on August 11th, Gandhi said Singh's integrity and probity would stand the test of history. She said history would remember Singh as a quiet, gentle, but a most consequential Prime Minister. Her remarks came days after the Supreme Court gave Singh a clean sheet in the coal block allocation case. Gandhi also referred to Singh's warning from January 2014 when he had said that having Narendra Modi as Prime Minister would be disastrous for the country. She argued that the prediction was becoming increasingly evident. Taking a direct swipe at Modi, Gandhi said that since the Prime Minister was now forgiving students who had attacked him, he could perhaps use the opportunity to forgive himself for his undignified criticism of Singh. She said the Supreme Court outcome had brought an end to what she called a witch hunt against Dr. Singh, describing him as a leader of remarkable probity and integrity. Gandhi further alleged that the campaign against Singh had been coordinated across sections of the bureaucracy, media, judiciary, and civil society, and alleged involvement of the RSS and BJP.